Want to turn your viewers into a loyal, engaged community that supports, comments, and shares your videos like crazy? Then stop focusing only on views and subscribers. In today's video, I'll reveal the ultimate guide to building a strong YouTube community that actually lasts. So let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling to grow a loyal audience or feel like your viewers don't interact as much as you'd like, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the proven strategies that top YouTubers use to create a highly engaged, supportive, and active community. And if you're serious about building a real YouTube family, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips. Why community matters more than views. One, many YouTubers focus only on getting more views and subscribers, but real success comes from building a community that keeps coming back. Higher watch time and engagement. More shares and recommendations. Loyal fans who buy your merch, support you, and promote your content. A long-term, sustainable channel. So, how do you do it? Let's break it down. Step 1. Be authentic and show personality. One, people don't just subscribe for content, they subscribe for you. Two, don't try to be perfect, be real, be relatable, and show your personality. 3. Examples of YouTubers who built communities by being themselves. Emma Chamberlain, raw, unfiltered personality. Mr. Beast, genuine excitement and generosity. Four, action step. Ask yourself, why should people connect with me and not just my content? Tip. Share personal stories, struggles, or behind-the-scenes moments to build deeper connections. Segment 3. Step 2. Engage like crazy. One, a community isn't just people watching your videos, it's a two-way conversation. Reply to comments, don't just heart them, start conversations. Ask questions in your videos, encourage responses in the comments. Use community posts and polls, keep your audience engaged even between uploads. Go live. Real-time interaction builds stronger connections. Three, pro tip. The first 30-60 minutes after uploading is crucial. Reply to as many comments as possible to boost engagement. Step 3. Create insider language and culture. One, make your audience feel like they're part of something special. Give them a name, example, PewDiePie's Bro Army. Create inside jokes, memes only your fans understand. Have signature phrases or catchphrases. posts use a unique sign-off. Example, "Stay awesome, team." Step 4. Make your audience feel valued. One, people stick around when they feel seen and appreciated. Shout out fans in your videos, feature top comments, fan art, etc. Ask for feedback. Let them help shape your content. Surprise giveaways. Reward loyal viewers. Engage on other platforms. Reply to DMs, retweet fan posts, etc. For example, MrBeast surprises fans with insane giveaways, but even a simple comment reply or shout out can make a huge impact. Step 5. Collaborate and cross-promote. One, collaborations expose you to new audiences and help build a stronger community. Partner with similar creators for Q&As, challenges, or co-hosted videos. Shout out smaller creators to support the community. Feature guest appearances on your channel. Three, tip. Find creators with similar values and audience interests for authentic collaborations. Step 6. Stay consistent and keep showing up. One, a strong community takes time to build. Don't give up. Upload regularly. Stick to a schedule. Keep interacting with your audience. Stay true to your brand and message. Remember, the biggest YouTubers didn't build communities overnight. It's all about showing up consistently and keeping your audience engaged. Building a strong YouTube community isn't just about getting views, it's about creating real connections with your audience. Engage, be authentic, make them feel valued, and most importantly, keep showing up. This video is sponsored by UnderTheStarsBabe.shop. Remember, while under the stars, babe, anything is possible. Subscribe for more YouTube growth and success tips. Get notifications for more daily creator motivation. What's the one thing you'll start doing to build your community? Drop a comment below.